M.R. Kumar. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Fluent English Language and Spoken Classes. Today we are going to learn simple and easy ideas how to convert active voice into passive voice. In my previous video, I have explained a lot about the rules of active passive voices. Today we are going to learn active voice which is written in imperative form, that is imperative sentence. So it is easy that imperative sentence begins with principal verb. You can recognize. Sometimes imperative sentence begins with please, word please, or the word kindly, but mostly you will find principal verb is given in the beginning. Let me write something for you. Give me your pen. This is imperative sentence because it begins with principal verb. Is it okay? So it is easy for you to recognize principal verb. If your active voice is imperative sentence, then how you can change into passive? Certain easy rules I would like to explain. First thing is very important, that is your imperative sentence either gives idea of advice or command or request. Three things. Either it is advice, or it is order or command, or it is request. Okay? First you have to decide. So if you feel it is advice, for this there is separate single rule. And if you feel it is order or command, for this there is another rule. And if it is request, there is another rule for this. So, if give me your pen, suppose this active voice. Okay? So what do you think? Give me your pen. Is it looking like suggestion or advice? No. Is it looking like request? No. If it is request, there must be use of please or kindly. That is not available here. It means it is order or command. Okay? So, for such sentence which gives the idea of order or command, you have to write like this. Construction for this passive, okay? Passive construction. Let object. Object means here, okay? B plus V3 2 plus, here it will be noun or pronoun. That is because in this active voice this is pronoun me. It can be him, you, them, any. It is also pronoun, but I am saying your pen, this is your actually object. Okay? So what should be correct answer for this? First you have decided this is imperative sentence, this is active voice. Then you have decided this active voice reflects the idea of order or command. So for such question, answer should be based on this single pattern, single construction. this is not a structure, this is construction. Answer should be let your pen, okay? Your pen be given, okay, to me. That is noun or pronoun, that is given in the question here. You can see me, that is, okay. Let's have another example for the same. Same means imperative sentence that reflects the idea of what? Order or command. Bring him a glass of water. Decide. This is your object, okay? This is your object. This is pronoun. This is your verb. It reveals the idea that imperative sentence is order, a kind of order or command it is, okay? So your answer should be based on this single construction. Let. This is object I have written, that is from the object of the question. Let a glass of water be brought to him. Okay, that is pronoun him. It will be written in the last according to construction. So one thing is clear. What? If imperative sentence reflects the idea of command or order, it should be shown likewise. It begins with, your passive begins with let, let. Okay? Now, next, what happens if your active voice is imperative sentence and it gives the idea of advice? For this, there is another construction. Very simple and very easy. See just. Just you look at the sentence. Help the child. What do you think? Help the child. Suppose I am saying to you, help the child. What do you think? It is advice. Especially imperative sentence which gives like this idea to do something good for somebody, someone, help the child, help the poor. So it is advice, and for this is important to use in passive. Should be. Okay? Help the child, this is verb, and this is your object. Okay? Construction for such active voice is like this. Object, that is passive subject. Okay? Should be, should plus be, okay? V3. It's okay. So what is your final answer? Help the child. The child should be helped. Okay? The child should be helped. Likewise, when imperative sentence that gives the idea of advice, help the poor, like help the poor. Then this is your principal verb, this is your object, and it gives the idea of advice. Someone is advising, suggesting to help the poor. For this, your answer should be passive, should be the poor should be helped. Okay. Okay. Now we will see active voice, that is imperative sentence, and it reflects the idea of request. Okay. I told you earlier, such active voice, that is imperative sentence, and it reflects the idea of request. It begins either with the word please or the word kindly. Please give me your book. Okay. This is imperative sentence. I said imperative sentence sometimes begins with please or kindly. One thing, the word please either appears in the beginning of the sentence or it goes in the end. You can use please or kindly either here in the beginning, or you can write at the end of the sentence. So this word gives the idea of request. So for such imperative sentence, such active voice, passive voice should be written like this. Construction is just simple construction and single construction. You are requested. You are requested. Okay, first this you have to write 3 words plus 2 plus V1 plus object. Okay. So in the question, this is your verb, means principal verb. Your book, this is your object. Okay. This is pronoun. You are requested to give your book to plus pronoun here. Okay. Now it is okay. So what should be your answer for this question? Your answer should be you are requested to give your book to me. Okay. We have followed the construction. This word please you have to remove from the passive. You have seen here. Okay. Requested word gives the idea of please. Okay. Therefore, it is not necessary to rewrite in the passive. This answer, this passive voice also can be written like this. You are requested to give me, this me, you can use after verb, give me your book. In this form also it is okay, you can write. Now imperative sentence is clear. You have read a lot of things about imperative sentence. Sometimes imperative sentence begins with let. For this, see, let him drink water. Imperative sentence, if begins with let, your passive should be likewise let plus object be plus V3 by plus subject. And here water is object, okay, this is subject, that is nominative case. Actually this is your verb, principal verb. This begins with let. Your construction should be followed: let object be V3 by and subject. So what should be your correct answer for passive? Your correct answer should be let water be drunk, V3, drink, drank, drunk, be drunk by him. Okay? Yes. You have seen how active voice of imperative sentence can be converted into passive voice. Simple technique and easy ideas have been given to you. Thank you for watching the video. Share it and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon so that you can receive updated videos. Share to your friends, family and relatives. Thank you.